Are you ready? Like for real?
For real.
Are you sure? Sure. Okay, here we go. We always start with the nucleus, correct? When we start with the nucleus, only two things belong in there, protons and neutrons. This number tells us protons. You can now use the shortcut of a capital P for proton, tell us how many belong in the nucleus. Okay? The other part in the nucleus are neutrons. This number doesn't tell us neutrons. This tells us protons and neutrons together. If we remove the three that are protons, how many neutrons are left? 4. So now we can do the shortcut of putting an N for a neutron and saying that we know there are 4 in the nucleus. Okay? Atomic number tells us the protons. Down here, your atomic weight tells you protons and neutrons together. You got to do a little subtraction. Please notice, are the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus always equal?
No.
No. For carbon, they were. For oxygen, they are. For lithium, it is not. Next, we have our electrons. For the purposes of right now, in this point in time, if you know the number of protons, please assume that it is equal to the number of electrons. Okay? So if there are 3 protons, we have to draw 3 electrons. How many can go on the first energy level? 2. Just 2. And then it's full. Ask me why.
Why?
I'll tell you later. I'll tell you later.
Wow, rude.
Okay? I know, so rude. We want them to pair up. That is now full. I know it looks like there's room. There's not. There's not. So we need our next energy level. You can put it anywhere you want, people. I'm going to put it over here. There's our 3rd electron.
What are we doing?
We're done. What is the only thing we need to know to identify this as lithium?
How many electrons does proton have?
We don't even need to know electrons to identify it. It's the protons. Down the road, when we're feeling all saucy and like chemists, we'll show you, you can change electrons and it's still lithium. You can change neutrons and it's still lithium. But the second we change protons, it is no longer lithium. That is the identity of that atom. It is lithium. Okay?